Welcome back, everyone. April is Child Abuse Prevention Month, and CASA reaches out to help kids who cannot defend themselves. Joining us is Jackson County's Executive Director, Martha Gershon, and child abuse survivor, Nathan Ross. Both of you, thank you so much for being here. So, Nathan, tell us about your story and how CASA can help out in cases like yours.
Well, I came into the foster care system when I was 10. I survived many years of abuse and neglect from my birth mom. It resulted in the death of 2 of my brothers.
Wow.
So after going through the foster care system, it was really important for me to have resources, have people there that were going to help me get my life back on track and help me overcome the traumas that I had gone through. So CASA is a great organization of people that volunteer to be that special advocate for kids. They go to the court and they tell what's going to be best for the kid based on their interactions. So having that person that's going to be constantly with the kid and figure out what is best for them is super important and is needed for tons of kids who come through the foster care system, because a lot of times we don't feel like we have a voice.
Yeah, so they give those abused kids a voice in the court system. And why is it such a complex system, too? I mean, it always seems like when especially in child abuse cases and custody cases and situations like that, sometimes the kids feel like the judge is not there to hear me at all. So that's what CASA is there for?
Yes, and it gets complex because everyone's trying to do the right thing. Everyone is trying to make sure that the right resources are there for those kids. And sometimes it gets a little mucky when you try to figure out what those resources look like. But CASA really, they kind of help steer that and navigate it so that it's more smooth. They really advocate and tell from the kids' point of view what's going to be best.
Martha, you're the executive director in our area. By the way, very well-spoken kid here. I shouldn't even say kid. I mean, you're like a young adult there. Very good job explaining CASA. You obviously have helped out probably. The organization has so many children in our area. How needed is CASA in our area?
It is really sad that child abuse and neglect are on the rise in our community. Right now, there are about 3,600 abused and neglected children in the 3-county metro area who are in the court system who need help. CASA is able to help about 1/3 of them. It means about 1,300 of these kids have a specialized CASA volunteer assigned one-on-one to look out for their interests in the court system. That means we need volunteers to serve the other 2/3 of the kids.
Yeah.
So for folks who have a heart for kids, this is a great volunteer opportunity. You can save a life this way.
You really can. And look at this remarkable kid here with the help of CASA. I mean, you really did a great job. Thank you both for being here. So these guys here, they're going to have a breakfast fundraiser tomorrow. CASA is. It's going to run from 7:30 to 8:30 at the Sheraton Crown Center. It's once again tomorrow. For more information, if you can help out, obviously it's a nonprofit. They would love your donations as well. Go to CASAKC.org. CASAKC.org. We're going to post all of this information on our website as well, kshb.com.